Hello Taurians, as you all know, my name is G-Boy, Golden Boy Young Rich Nicks. Today is 3rd April 2023. This is the new beginning for you all Taurians. We're gonna hit it up this year, man. Money flowing, bitches keep coming, nigga keeps keeping. We're gonna hit it up, man. Luxury cars, luxury PJs in this year, man. We're gonna travel all over the world, man, to just enjoy our fucking life, man. I'm a G-Boy Young Rich nigga. Yeah, got you with Khalifa, man. KK, Khalifa Kush, man. I'm gonna smoke with you. With Khalifa. My name is G-Boy Young Red nigga. Smoking water every day with my real nigga, man. Yeah, this is our new beginning, man. This year is for Taurians, man. We're gonna make it. We're gonna hit it all. Yeah, don't hesitate.